My name is Alina.
And today I'm going to give you a tour of Amsterdam. We will visit three amazing places that will help you experience its spirit, history and uniqueness. First up, where can we go without them? Amsterdam Canals. Not only are they beautiful, but they are also part of UNESCO World Heritage Site. Let's get to know their history. Amsterdam is a city of water. More than 165 canals permitted, creating a unique atmosphere. Interesting fact, these canals used to be important not only for transportation but also for defense and trade. In the 17th century, when Amsterdam was in its golden age, they were used to transport goods from all over the world. Today, it's an ideal place for strolling and leisurely contemplation. It's said that there are even more canals here than in Venice, and I just can't pass up an opportunity like this and not take a ride on these amazing canals. Come with me! You know, I just recently arrived in Amsterdam, but it's so beautiful here that I think I'm ready to stay here forever. I always loved the aesthetics of Venice, and here I see exactly the same atmosphere or even something more peaceful. It's very beautiful, but it's time for us to move on. Amsterdam is a big city and we have so much more to see. Here we are already in another part of Amsterdam, but no less significant and no less beautiful part of the city. In front of you is the Rijksmuseum, the main art museum in the Netherlands. It was founded in 1800 and has been in this building since 1885. The work of the great Dutch masters Rembrandt, Vermeer, Frans Hals are collected here. One of the most famous paintings is Rembrandt's The Night Watch, which literally comes alive before your eyes thanks to its turning light and dynamics. If you go a little further, you will find the famous I Amsterdam sign, in front of which thousands of tourists take pictures. But you know what's interesting? Sometimes it's removed on purpose to remind people that Amsterdam is not just a brand, but a city with living history. But we are not that simple, we are not interested in such signs, we are here to see the heart of Amsterdam, so we are going somewhere more interesting. Welcome to the new location of our Amsterdam tour, Vondelpark, Amsterdam's largest green space. Here you can simply walk, ride a bike, listen to street musicians or have a picnic under the streets. There are also free open-air theatre and music performances in the summer. If you want to see Amsterdam not only as a tourist but also as a local, make sure you come here. But while it's too cold for theatre and musical performances, people just enjoy the beauty of nature and relax in the park. I will do the same. That's what Amsterdam is, a city of water and art. There is something for everyone. History, culture, nature, or just a place to leisurely enjoy the atmosphere. Thank you for walking with me and see you on your new travels. Bye bye.